welcome back to Viral Trends. Today I'm gonna talk to you about which animals that kills most people each year. Number 10, the crocodile. The crocodile usually kills by its bite. It's about 1,000 people each year that get killed by that. Number 9 and 8. Why? Because they are kind of the same. So it is the tapeworm that kills 2,000 people, and then it is the Ascaris Roundworworm, and it kills 2,500 people each year. They are kind of the same. Both of them is worms and parasites that lives on the host. So they kind of work the same. So this is a type of worm that will live inside your body and eat the food that you eat. You will get this one if you eat something that is contaminated, and they will start to get fed by their host and start to lay eggs. In some parts of Africa, almost 95% of the population is contaminated. Luckily, you can get treated of this parasite, but it's still people dying from it. Number 7, 6, 5. So these creatures get shared place because they each kill about 10,000 humans each year. So this one is the tsetse fly, the essence bug, and the freshwater snail. All of these animals are very small, so let's start with the tsetse fly. This fly is mostly common in Africa in between deserts. The fly feeds on the blood on their animals such as the human being. The fly usually carry a disease called the African sleeping sickness, and then through the bite transfer the sickness. This parasite will take over the host's body eventually, and the human in this case will die. So the assassin bug lives in more tropical climates such as California, Texas, and New Mexico. These bugs also carry diseases and parasites that will kill you. This insect usually bites you in your sleep and close to the mouth. That's why this bug is called the kissing bug. The parasite that you can get from this bug can damage major organs. The freshwater snail itself will not kill humans. Instead, we are affected by tristoma, a parasitic worm that infects the snail's eggs. When we consume these eggs through drinking water or eat food that has been contaminated, we can get affected with tristomasis. Number 4. A close friend to the human being. It's the dog. The dog kills about 25,000 people yearly, and it is called the human's best friend. Of course, all dogs are not the same, and if you don't treat your dog right, it is going to grow up angry just like the humans actually. Usually it's not the dog's fault, it is the owner's. Number 3. Snakes. Snakes is the third animal that kills most people each year. It kills about 50,000 people. And many venomous snakes goes unreported, so the number could be even higher than this. Number 2, the human, our own kind. The human kills about 475,000. War, conflicts, and murders is what leads to this high number. But if we are trying to see this from a brighter side, we are not the worst on this list. Still one animal left. And by that conclusion, we are at number 1. The mosquito. The mosquito is the deadliest animal on the planet. It kills most people each year by far, and it kills over 725,000 each year. Lucky for us, only the female bites, but that's plenty enough. They bite because she needs blood for her eggs. Yes, to make even more bloodsuckers. Diseases like malaria, dengue, West Nile disease, yellow fever, and Zika disease cause widespread suffering and death. The mosquito pees while she's studying blood to get rid of salt and water so she can have more room for more blood. She also spits her saliva so she doesn't get clogged when she drinks or sucks our blood. This was my top 10 deadliest animals on the planet that kills most people. I hope you like it, and please subscribe and like so I can see what you think. And if you go somewhere, please put some bug spray on and don't trust anybody.